I'm going to have to get that flat. Little bit at a time. And I do have a flat carbide. I'm just going to shave it off a little. I'm just going to go over it, make sure there's no high spots. Okay. I'm going to put some sealer on it again. Let it sit overnight. And check it again. See, like right there. They may have dropped it. Something. You gotta check this stuff. You have to. Same thing when putting bearings in right here. Okay? You gotta file that down. Don't take a lot off. You just run the file real lightly. That's it. You just want to deburr it. So I'll be taking care of this, and I'll just go from there. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. So, all right, back to it.